everyone, how are you guys doing? Today's video is all about the tips and tricks which you should be keeping in mind while to have that beautiful glowing skin even during the summers. Um, we are in the month of April and we know how much hot it is right now. So it becomes mandatory for all of us to take good proper care of our skin. So I would be quickly talking about all those tips and tricks which you guys should follow, and we have we have actually read about those tips and tricks lot many times, but guys, this is the time when you should actually step forward and apply those tips and tricks religiously. Yes. So the first step is stay hydrated. Yes, you need to stay hydrated because that is the actually first step to have that beautiful glowing skin. Drink lots and lots of water, lots and lots of fluid. Drink Glucon D, drink juices, drink any coconut water, any kind of fluid which you like, which you love to drink. Just have it so that your body remains hydrated, your skin remains hydrated, all the toxins and all the impurities are washed away from your body. The second most important thing is include lots and lots of green veggies and fruits in your diet, because that will actually, because green vegetables, fruits, they have lots and lots of antioxidants, and they are like loaded with nutrients which will actually help you all to keep that to have that beautiful glowing skin. The third most important thing is never ever step out without applying a proper sunscreen. Yes, with a good SPF factor. Never do that, because it is you are not supposed to do it. Yeah, you're not supposed to do it. We know how much harmful the sun rays are, what kind of damage it can cause to our skin. We can have skin cancer, we can have lots and lots lots and lots of issues, skin related issues. So it is mandatory for all of y'all to use sunscreen not only during this day but also during the evening time, and keep your sunscreen in your purse, because depending on the SPF factor it contains, you'll have to reapply it either within 2 hours or 3 hours or 5 hours. It all depends on the SPF factor the sunscreen contains. Then the next step is that you need to exfoliate. Yes, you need to exfoliate at least twice during the whole week, because it is very important to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliation can actually remove those dead skin cells from your body, and it will make your skin look more healthy, more glowing. So what you can use while exfoliating is, you can use oatmeal, you can use besan, and you can use a little bit of milk or curd as you wish to use it, and mix them, apply them on your face, let them dry, like leave it for like 5 to 6 minutes, and when it starts drying, just massage your face in a circular motion, and then you can wash it off and then apply any moisturizer of your choice. So exfoliation is must. Then the next step is cleansing. Yes, not to forget, cleansing is very important, and you just cannot clean your face just once and you are done. No, you need to use cleanser twice in 24 hours. Yes, you need to clean your face twice in a day, and for that you need to use a good cleansing milk or a face wash. For those people who have acne prone skin, they can use cucumber paste or aloe vera based cleansing milk or anything like that sort. But for those people who have very dry skin like me, they can use any cleansing milk which contains milk and honey. There's this cleansing face wash and a cleansing milk from Oriflame which says honey and milk scrub, something like that sort. If I am if I actually don't remember the correct name, but yes, you can actually use this as your face wash, as your cleansing milk, and believe me, it'll actually work miraculously on the people who have dry skin. I have very dry skin, and I always I make it sure that I use honey and milk. I mix them and I use it on my face, and then I just clean it with cold water. And I like religiously do this once or twice as I get time during the week. The next most important thing is moisturizing your face. Yes, moisturizing your face is very important, because for people like us who have extremely dry skin, we just cannot step out of the house before applying any moisturizer. Like for me, it happens that the moment I'm out of the shower, I really need to use a heavy duty based cream, because I have that much dry skin. uh, so ex- uh, invest in a very good moisturizer according to the type of skin you have. The next important step is using toner. Toner is very important, guys. You need to invest in a very good toner, because toner can actually help remove your makeup. It can actually help you guys get rid of so many skin problems. So invest in a very good toner according to the skin type you have. And if you all do not want to invest in a artificial toner, what you guys can do is you can actually make your own rose water toner, and you can apply it on your skin, because that way it will be a home base, it will be actually a home remedy, all natural and all ready to get it go. Okay, so the next most important thing you should keep in mind is that when it comes to using the skincare products, choose your skincare products very after doing a thorough research. Just do not go and pick any product randomly, because you need to understand one thing, that your skin is the most delicate thing, a delicate part of your whole body, and you need to really take good care of it. And you just cannot randomly pick up any product and use it. Do a thorough research. If you guys want me to do reviews of certain products or anything, or you guys want me to do DIYs for skincare routines and anything related to beauty, makeup and fashion, just feel free to comment in the comment section below, and guys, I would be doing it for you all. So this is all for today. If you like my video, then please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It won't take much of your time, but it would mean a lot to me, because it will actually motivate me to come up with more such videos in the near future and help you all guys. The videos which have done earlier and which I would be doing are not sponsored, so it really so your one all I'm doing this is just for you people, because I really feel that this is one of the best medium to stay connected to all of you all, to share what all I know, and also I will actually get to know more from you guys as well. So feel free to comment in the comment section below. And yes, all I need is your support, your love. So stay happy, stay positive, shower lots and lots of love. And yeah, do let me know in the comment section below what all you want me to do more as in the videos, and I would be sharing my Instagram profile link. Connect me there and stay updated. Bye.